Hi guys, it's time to practice English speaking. Repeat after me, episode 3. Let's get started. An American tourist visited an Indian yogi. He was astonished to see that the yogi's home was a plain, simple room. The only furniture was a mat and an earthen water pot. The tourist asked Yogi, "With due respect, may I ask, where is your furniture and other household things?" Yogi asked him back, "Where are yours? I don't see either." "Mine? Why do I need them? I'm only a visitor here." Yogi smiled and said, "So am I." Moral of this story: we are just visitors in this world. Don't try to find connections in the material world. Bye bye.